Let's practice this phrase together with some common examples.
No wonder. No wonder means that something makes sense now. It means you're not surprised and you finally understand why something happened. You use it when something suddenly becomes clear.
No wonder you're tired.
No wonder you're tired.
No wonder you're hungry.
No wonder you're hungry.
No wonder you're stressed.
No wonder you're stressed.
No wonder he's upset.
No wonder he's upset.
No wonder she's angry.
No wonder she's angry.
No wonder they're confused.
No wonder they're confused.
No wonder you overslept.
No wonder you overslept.
No wonder you can't focus.
No wonder you can't focus.
No wonder you're late.
No wonder you're late.
No wonder you feel sick.
No wonder you feel sick.
No wonder it's so expensive.
No wonder it's so expensive.
No wonder the room is freezing.
No wonder the room is freezing.
No wonder the house is a mess.
No wonder the house is a mess.
No wonder your phone died.
No wonder your phone died.
No wonder your bag is heavy.
No wonder your bag is heavy.
No wonder you're bored.
No wonder you're bored.
No wonder you couldn't sleep.
No wonder you couldn't sleep.
No wonder your back hurts.
No wonder your back hurts.
No wonder she didn't answer.
No wonder she didn't answer.
No wonder he left early.
No wonder he left early.
You did amazing today. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound. See you next time.